while Luke has been appreciating the hints and tips coming from his all-star Matt.
What into there?
No matter how much experience you have, there are no tricks to getting around this guy. And right now, he's got his eye on the top of Luke and Jasmine's staircase.
Dun, dun, dun.
Hey, Luke.
Yes, mate.
We have a big issue.
A big issue?
Yes, we're going to have stanchions for your glass along this edge here, right?
Yeah.
The issue we've got is that we thought this was going to be timber through here, not carpet.
Okay.
Now, you've got carpet meeting timber there.
Yeah.
Now, the stanchion sits half over the timber and then on the carpet.
Yeah.
That doesn't work.
Yeah.
So that's the bracket, right? That wants to sit on one piece, not rocking on carpet and the timber, if you know what I mean.
Luke and Jasmine's brackets at the bottom of the balustrade need to sit on something solid. Up the top, the nosing that's been installed is nowhere near deep enough. It needs to be this deep.
We thought we were just going to have one flat plane with solid timber on here. Now this has changed. The stanchion isn't going to work.
Yeah, so Keith you know, has identified a bit of a problem upstairs with the balustrade. Who told you there was going to be timber up there? No one told you?
Melbourne Stairs taught that.
No, there was never timber up there, mate. There was always carpet.
So you're saying Melbourne Stairs thought it was going to be carpet?
No one asked the question. I said it was carpet upstairs.
OK.
5 minutes later.
You're sure that was supposed to be carpet up there?
It was, no,
Because, mate, I've got this bit of paper here, right, that you've signed.
Oh, is that's
and
for
you've
the
agreed
studio?
upon. Nah. American oak, 32 by 270, MDF, 15mm timber on upper floor, 15mm timber on lower floor.
OK.
You've signed this.
Yeah, well, I've obviously missed that, haven't I? We've changed our hallway to carpet, and obviously on the stairs plan it says timber, so I've missed that. And now the nosing's too short for where the post is going to go. Yeah, well, I don't know. This is what happens when you measure months before and then come and just rock up to the stairs.
Well, it was signed roughly 10 days ago. I don't think they should have to fix it all up. I think you should fix the problem up.
I'll get it on the phone to Dwayne from Melbourne Stairs.
Luke.
G'day, mate. How you going?
Yeah, good, buddy. Yourself?
Yeah, not bad, not bad.
That's good.
Obviously, you heard about that nosing up the top?
38. Yeah.
So what do we...
The only thing you can do is put a floorboard there in front of it.
OK, well, yeah, it's carpet up there, so that's the thing. I can't
Yeah,
just
I know,
put
exactly right.
Can't just put a floorboard up there. So what do you do?
What I'm saying is you need to put one floorboard, and reduce where your carpet meets the nosing.
So why would you install it if it's got half carpet, like sitting on it? Why would you even chuck it
Because
in?
we were told it was timber. Shop drawing has timber on the shop drawing, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's what I'm saying too. So there wouldn't have been a problem if there was timber up top.
I'm not putting just a random floorboard up there. All right, thanks, mate. See ya. Me.